Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are decorating the studio for Christmas. We're gonna go head to the store to buy a Christmas tree, decorations, and get the show on the road. But first we're gonna make a little Chick-fil-A pit stop. Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high. Our go-to Chick-fil-A order, it depends on the day. If we're feeling a little like it's Friday, we're not gonna get a salad, I either get the spicy chicken sandwich. No, I got the original, and waffle fries and Chick-fil-A sauce, and a large original iced coffee with a large water.
Because Chick-fil-A only comes in large. I got nugs. I'm so excited. I like nugs more than, I like the sandwiches a lot, but I like how they're just little nuggets of happiness.
I have a theory that your Chick-fil-A order says a lot about who you are as a person. And if you get the spicy chicken sandwich, 9 times out of 10 I'm automatically going to like want to be your friend.
Yeah.
If you like avocado lime ranch dressing, I automatically want to be your friend.
Oh, it smells like fried food and I'm here for it. People are just happy when they're at Chick-fil-A because you have no reason to not be happy. You are eating the Lord's chicken.
Okay, so here is the corner that is going to soon be home to the Christmas tree. One of the little girls asked me yesterday if it was big, and it is. It's like 6.5 feet, so hopefully it fills up the space well. So here we have our lovely Studio A waiting area. I have the tree, we decorated it with all of my grandma's ornaments. She used to have a pink and silver tree every year, and I love how I'm able to just keep her ornaments alive and used every year, and it makes me think of her. And then we strung lights, literally any surface where they could possibly be light strung, we have strung them in the studio. And here's Lydia's desk, looking all festive with all of her trees, and I love pipe cleaner trees. They're so simple and super cheap. This is the Studio B waiting area where we got this little tree from Walmart, and it makes me so happy. I love how tinsely it is. And again, we hung it with all of my grandma's sparkly pink ornaments, and then we added some snowflakes. I've got these string lights for literally a couple bucks a piece last year at Target, and I've used them pretty much everywhere. Hey guys, we're here in our house and it's time to decorate for Christmas. It's been almost a year exactly since we moved in, and Lydia and I, since we were like, I don't know, teenagers, we thought it would be fun to live together in our early 20s and live in an old house, and we have accomplished that goal. And it's time to decorate for Christmas. Our house is over 100 years old, and it is full of all of the old character that I'm obsessed with. My favorite thing is the fireplace. So first things first, you have to have a quality Christmas movie, and I think the Sandra Bullock movie While You Were Sleeping is such an underrated Christmas movie that you don't really think about very often. I love it. I watch it every year if I can. I think she's struggling. We've got all of our Christmas stuff out. I got the Christmas tree, I guess 2 years ago, and I still get a kick every Christmas when I pull it out, and it's called a Slim Yuletide.
Okay, so funny story about the Christmas tree. 2 years ago when we got it, this is when Abby was living at her apartment, and we were unloading it. We were laughing about the name of it as we were unloading it, and it was like kind of a struggle because we were trying to get out of the car and it was just really heavy, you know, all of that. Well, we rounded the corner with the tree, and there's this really creepy neighbor who lived next door, and he was waiting at the top of the stairs for us. And as I approached him, he looks at me and he goes, "So which of you is the arborist?" And I was like, "What?" And he was like, "Which of you is arborist? I heard you talking about slow mule tides." And I said, "Well, sir, if you knew anything about Christmas trees, you would know that Hobby Lobby sells slow mule tides. We were not arborist." And we quickly went inside.
Here's two of our favorite things in one picture. Joanna Gaines' line from Target, Morgan Wallen. What a classic.
Look at the bright side. He's got more room in his jockey shorts.
First year that I've ever decorated before Thanksgiving, but it just seemed like it was time. We just needed a little extra cheer this week, so that's what we did, and I'm super happy. I love that we get to enjoy it for such a long time.